How is it going, guys? Drew Peacock here, back with another video. And today we got the exhaust for the Supra. Let me walk over into the shade. It's a little hot out, but we got the exhaust for the Supra and we got the coilovers. So today we're gonna go to my place and install them. Let me show you guys what we got. All right, so we got my exhaust right there. We got my coils right there, and we have to fit it into my Mustang right there. I don't know how we're gonna do this. Let me show you guys without showing where I live. Let me show you guys what we got. So we have the HKS, I believe it's called the TI Carbon. I'll throw in a picture of it right here, but we got the carbon and titanium exhaust right here. It's just, I guess I would consider this an axle back since we're gonna be swapping the motor anyways. The whole header situation is gonna be different on the Supra, so this is just the rear part, pretty much from the mid pipe back of the exhaust. But we got some beautiful carbon right here, some beautiful titanium right under there. Let me move this bubble wrap. Look at how beautiful that weld is. This looks really clean. And then we also got a set of HKS coils, the Hypermax coils, and these are great. These are what were recommended to me by the person that sold me the car. He was like, looking, man, you got to go HKS. You can't use that Megan Chinese crap, Megan, whatever you want to call it. You can't use that Chinese crap. You got to use the Japanese shit. HKS is top tier. So I'm pretty excited. We're not going to be installing those today. We are going to be installing the exhaust. This is pretty simple, and I feel like I could do this on my own. These, I could do it on my own. It's just I would like a helping hand. That way it goes quicker. But these are pretty simple too. Coilovers, they're pretty simple. The rears would take me maybe 30 minutes. The fronts are a little bit more labor intensive, but they're still not hard. So anyways, let's try to load this into that and let's go to my place. Beautiful, I'm sure it's safe. So we got the coils underneath, and then I just put the mid pipe right here. We'll close this up really nice and gentle. And then up front, riding passenger with me, we have the titanium and the carbon exhaust. So let's go ahead and grab my tools and head to my place. God, I still love this car. All right, guys, we made it back to my house. I got the GoPro strapped onto the Supra. We're gonna go around the block a couple times, listen to the stock exhaust, or I don't know if I'd call this stock, but whatever this exhaust is, whatever it came with, we're gonna listen to it just a couple times. I'm not really gonna get on it because I can only drive around the neighborhood. Car still isn't registered. So we're gonna listen to it and we'll compare it when I put on the HKS exhaust. Let's go. I was literally about to back out of my driveway and there's a fucking cop that drives right by. So let's wait for him to go away and then we'll go around the block. So I'm gonna take the cop driving by as a sign that I probably shouldn't drive my car today. So I gave you a quick couple revs right there. Let me go ahead and jack up the car and then we will go ahead and put on the new exhaust. Here we can see what the old muffler looked like, and holy shit, who the hell welded this thing? So we have a bunch of stitches here, maybe a resonator there, more stitches. What the hell? So my new pipes are gonna connect back there, and then we're gonna have that other connection right there, and then the muffler. Let me just tear this cancer out of the car. What is this? What is this? All right, let me tear this out. I was taking one last look at the old exhaust. Look at this shit right here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It's in my trunk, but look at this. Look at this. This is what happens when someone tells you they know a guy. Look at this shit. Oh my God, this whole inch right here is just weld. There's no metal underneath. That's just weld, I guarantee it. Look at that. Holy shit, that is so bad. All right, guys, check it out. It looks so good. This looks amazing. So I wiped it down with alcohol so I won't get any fingerprints burnt into it. When I turn it on, I didn't have the right Allen keys to tighten up this hanger right here. So that's gonna have to wait, which means we can only start it up. I can't drive it around right now. I don't want that to be bouncing around and scratching shit up. But I mean, it looks so good and it is secure. I can't wait to hear it. Let's turn it on. It sounds and looks amazing. I went under there and checked. We got no exhaust leaks. Really easy install. Probably took me less than an hour. It was really simple, really straightforward. So I recommend that. You guys can do it yourself. Just don't have Harbor Freight jack stands. Anyways, I'm not gonna cruise in it right now. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow morning to go take it out for a cruise. I got to get the Allen keys to tighten up that hanger, so then we'll be good to go. So tomorrow morning, I'll take it out for a cruise. I'll put the GoPro on the back and we'll see how she sounds. All right, it's the next morning. We're obviously in the Supra. Let's go ahead and listen to how she sounds. Oh, that's a nice cold start. So I'm gonna let the car warm up for a quick second, but so far the car sounds good. I don't hear any rattling or chattering or an exhaust leak, so that's great. We're just gonna go around the block a couple times like I was supposed to yesterday, but that cop was lingering, so I don't know why he's around here. Like it's a random area to be around, but all right. I'm not gonna beat on it. I mean, it's a Toyota. We don't have to let it fucking warm up to tip-top shape just to cruise around. So like I said, we're just gonna cruise around. Damn. All right, I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty sick sounding exhaust. I was a little bit nervous that I would end up sounding like a trumpet. Let me make sure my GoPro's still attached. Yes, it is. I was a little bit nervous. I was like, dude, like putting a big ass exhaust on it, it might open it up too much with no turbo. There's not gonna be enough restriction, and it might just sound like a 350 or 370 or VQ or something. But no, it sounds really good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna ease on it a little bit. It sounds really good. Let me crack the window a little bit. I hope the wind doesn't fuck with me. We'll get some downshifts right here. Nice. It's not too loud either, which I'm happy about. I'm tired of all my vehicles and all my cars being too loud. Now I'm sure eventually it will get louder, but it's not too loud to the point to where I already am sick of driving it. It's got a nice little gurgle at idle, which is cool. Too much, but it sounds really nice. Okay, the GoPro's still attached. Yeah, it sounds really nice. I'm really happy with how it sounds. I'm not gonna lie. Let me roll up the window so I can talk for a second. I mean, I figured a titanium carbon exhaust wasn't gonna sound bad, but I just didn't know exactly how it was gonna sound. And it sounds a bit more toned than it did before. Before it was just really muffled and really stock, and it didn't sound too good. There wasn't enough flow. There was a lot of restriction and you could hear it. Now it sounds a lot more free-flowing. There might be a little bit of rasp. I'll have to check on the second GoPro. There might be a little bit of rasp when we really get on it, but I mean, as is, it's a really good sounding car. The reason why I keep looking behind me is I don't want a cop to come I'm not really supposed to be driving, so I'm not going to be driving too much longer. I'll probably do one more baby pull, and then I'll head back to my place and edit this. So I'm really happy with it. Now we just got to do the coils, the wheels, and then boom, head swap, toss on a big fat turbo, and we're good to go until my transmission breaks. So let me head back to my place. We'll get, like I said, a baby pull maybe in on the way, and we'll call it a day. God, I wish it was boosted already. I want to go fast. I want to go fucking fast. NA Supra's fun, but I want to go fucking fast. Ugh. Handle's really good though. Let's see, I'm gonna ease onto it. Onto it again. I don't know how warm the engine is. I didn't really rev it out too far. We went to like 4K there, but I think that's plenty good for you to get an idea of how it's gonna sound. I think I'm hearing some rasp, and that's making me a little bit nervous because I like a clean tone. I don't know what the people did to the exhaust before back in Australia, so it's not the car's fault. I'm sure they went and chopped some shit out, but I'll just have to see. I'm gonna have to listen to that GoPro and just see. So let me head back to my house. My usual recording spot looks like it's taken. A bunch of other YouTubers figured it out and are recording here. I'm joking. Yeah, I don't know why I record here. It's usually empty, and so it seems like a good spot, and it's kind of local to my area. So I'll have to find another spot. I don't really want to bother these people if these are apartments and whatnot. So let me try to see what I could do. All right, guys, well, there we go. The HKS exhaust is installed, and it looks beautiful, and it sounds pretty damn good as well. We'll have to see how it sounds on that GoPro. I know the microphone isn't that good, so once I get the vehicle actually registered, we're gonna have to do some flybys and see how it sounds, because I think it sounds pretty damn good. But I think with a turbo and a blow-off valve and a bunch of flames shooting out, I think it'll sound that much better. But anyway, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna do the coils tomorrow. I might do the rears today, but I'm gonna do it's gonna be done tomorrow. It's gonna be filmed tomorrow, so that will be up probably Sunday or so. I'll be getting the wheels back sometime next week. Pretty much what happened was with the whole offset situation, I took them back. They said they'll replace them, but they didn't have my color, so they offered to powder coat my wheels any color I wanted. So I said, all right, let's go a little bit crazy then. If we're gonna have them powder coated, might as well change it up a little bit. We're not gonna go back with bronze. So guess down below what you think the color is gonna be. It's gonna be different. It's not gonna be a basic color. So guess down below. Anyway, guys, like I said, that's gonna do it for this video. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think the color is gonna be. Subscribe to see more videos like this one, and until next video, peace.